Is it justifiable to point a finger at ZANU-PF for allegedly poisoning Job Sikhala? This question has stirred up heated debates and sparked controversy across the globe. Today, we delve into this issue, unpacking facts and examining viewpoints. Our investigation begins with understanding the gravity of the claim. Job Sikhala, a prominent figure in Zimbabwe's political landscape, alleged poisoning. The ZANU-PF, Zimbabwe's ruling party, emerged as the accused. But can we, in all fairness, lay the blame at their doorstep? To answer this, we first look at the evidence presented. Sikhala'S medical reports indicate a sudden, unexplained illness, often associated with poisoning. However, medical experts caution against jumping to conclusions. They remind us that many other conditions could mimic these symptoms. Next, we explore the political dynamics. Sikhala is a vocal critic of ZANU-PF and has been at the receiving end of numerous threats. This raises suspicions. However, correlation does not always mean causation. We need solid proof to establish a link. We also examine the ZANU-PF's past conduct. There have been accusations of foul play against them in the past, but these often remained unproven. While this might make some view the party with suspicion, it is crucial to remember that every case is unique and should be treated as such. Lastly, we look at the global political climate. Poisoning political rivals is not unheard of. It has happened in various parts of the world. But can we apply these international trends to the Zimbabwean context? This remains a question of debate. In conclusion, while there are grounds to suspect ZANU-PF's involvement in Job Sikhala'S alleged poisoning, the evidence remains circumstantial. The medical reports, political dynamics, ZANU-PF's past conduct, and global trends all point towards a possibility, but not a certainty. Until further solid evidence emerges, the question remains open-ended. Is it justifiable to blame ZANU-PF for allegedly poisoning Job Sikhala? Only time and further investigations will tell.